Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you my massage technique to reduce and firm up the lip area to restore them to their original healthy state, which means more dewy, more plump looking. So let's start. First of all, we need to apply massage oil on the lips and around. Today I use my lip balm, but you can use any other oil. And then use the middle finger in a circular motion, massage on the lips and above to increase blood flow, to relax and warm up your lips. You do this 30 seconds to 1 minute. And underneath, very gentle. You can feel my lips warming up. And then hold it, supporting hand, working hand, horizontally massage on the lips itself. You can do both hands like this, but I find supporting hand, working hand works much better. It's firmer, goes deeper, and below. Never dry your skin. Once it's finished, you tap away the excess oil. Don't rub. And then I apply my eye cream around the lips. The reason why I use my eye cream is because the muscle around the lips are quite similar around the eyes. And it makes sense. Also, I see great result for my clients. So here, I use quite a lot because I don't want to dry my skin. Hold it, zigzag. Go over a few times. If you don't have lines like mine, you can just go over once. It's like iron the sheets. When the sheets crease up, you iron them. And then, of course, don't forget pressure point here. 1, 2. I like to use my knuckles because it's just going deeper. 6 times and hold it for 6, 5, 6. Outer corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Above, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. After a few days of massage, your lips will have a healthy glowing color. And if you keep doing it regularly, you will notice a reduction of those vertical lines around the mouth and within the lips. Of course, preventing dryness is the most effective way to protect the delicate lips. Internal nourishment is as important as external care to further protect the lip from aging and increase their elasticity. If you can do all this above, you will have a gorgeous looking lips and add to the beauty of your face. I hope you found these tips are helpful. Leave any comments below if you have any questions. And don't forget, subscribe. Take care. See you next time.